Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you the most amazing trick ever played on chess. So without further ado, let's get started. For white, I am going to tell you the most amazing trick ever. So after pawn to d4, many of the opponent responds with d5, and after this move you have to play pawn to e4, and in some of the cases he will definitely go for the capture, and after this capture you have to offer one more pawn, and after it captures on f3 you have to capture with the knight. Now there is a tendency that your opponent will try to pin this knight like it, bishop to g4. That's all you wanted. You play bishop to c4, and after this move if he plays something else like uh, anything like uh, knight to c6, then he's trapped. You just have to play knight to e5, and you're offering a queen, so why not capturing the queen? So he will definitely go for the capture, and most brilliant checkmate he will give, and bishop takes f7, and it's a checkmate on the board. So how was this line? And after, if you want to try with black pieces, then after d4 you offer a pawn, and after it captures you again offer a pawn, and after it captures you capture with the knight. Same theories will go on, and if he plays bishop to g5 pinning your knight, you proceed with the same bishop to c5, and after it plays a random move like this or like this, it doesn't matter, you have to play like only this move, and after this move he is in trouble because he will definitely try to capture it if he is not cautious. So if he captures again, we see a brutal checkmate on the board. So how was this video?